So, andito tayo ngayon sa Camellia La Vicina, Dos Rios in Cabuyao City, Laguna to check a new foreclosed listing. So, bali ito yung pinaka-clubhouse nila. May function area, may swimming pool, may parks and playground. Yung details ng property, ilalagay ko na lang dito sa video. Paki-check na lang po. And this property is available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment and then 80% balance bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So if you are interested to schedule a property showing and make an offer, please message us directly. This is as is where is and for bidding. So check na natin yung bahay. Tignan natin kung sira-sira ba siya, kung bulok na, at kung maraming kailangan ipaayos or good as brand new. So, let's go. So, this is the property. Yan. Tumbok po siya or kilat. Tignan natin kung sira-sira ba siya, kung bulok na, kung maraming ipapaayos or good as brand new pa. So may mga gamit siya dito ng previous owner. Mukhang wala yung caretaker. So may mga gamit pa siya. Tatanggalin naman niya ng bangko before turnover. Lilinisin yan. Meron tayong isang CR dito sa labas, dito sa loob. Ayan. Then sira na rin yung pinto doon. Car garage. Kasya pa isang sasakyan. Tignan natin yung taas. So dito sa taas meron tayong 2 kwarto. And wala pang tiles. Ito yung isang kwarto. And then ito yung isa. Meron siyang access sa balcony. So as is where is po tayo dito Upon turnover, lilinisin lang po yung bahay. So ang laki ng balcony niya. Then may common bathroom dito.